Ultron. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Oh shit, I forgot about Sonic Quest. Peach will be slow at getting to Song Request because today. Oh. Wait, yeah, I definitely forgot about that. Midnight Dipper, I got you. Just say it. Can you add to, like, just remind her if needed? Or ask or something like that. How long have you been playing Marvel Rivals? Like a long time. Wait, what the fuck is my... Oh, shit. Wait. Oh, my mouse button is my... Oh, no, wait. That's the wrong one. Fuck! Okay. I forget my own fucking keybones. And I missed. Cool. Are you doing Lord Luna or playing her? I'm gonna try and see how it goes. Each would take above 20 hours to get Lord Luna. No fucking shit! I barely got 20 on Mantis. Okay. You see how bad my aim is? Oh my fucking god. Maybe I don't play Luna. Oh my fucking god. BP pissed me off. I've done 5k heals? Dude, I'm fucking dog. Maybe I just need to pack it up. I'm just gonna back it up, whoever. I need to wash my face. I woke up from a nap. Okay, bye! Bye, Zorberry! Do you have a favorite character you like to run in Rivals? Yeah, I think I like Scarlet Witch and Rocket, honestly, the most. Wee! 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 This is the best part about Luna. I get to do nothing for 10 seconds. Oh. Okay, he wants me. Okay. Put the rocket in the bag. I probably should. Hi, Jackson! Got tired of shooter games. You missed Marvel Rivals? I mean, that's like kind of shooty. You play Punisher, it's basically a shooter game. Dude, oh my god, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Message is deleted. I summarized. Sorry for paragraphs. All good. Still gonna take me like 20 years to get to you. Oh, wait. Oh my fucking god. You have a top 5 you like to run into? Squirrel Girl, Rocket, Cloak, Punisher, Scarlet Witch. All fun and games till Iron Man solo ult 2 is Luna? Yeah, I haven't had that experience yet. I know that's fine, your DMs are crazy. Yeah, they're pretty crazy. Dude, am I pressing this fucking snowball? Because I don't even know if I'm getting it at this point. Game is just up there, bro. Oh, okay. Oh, 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 oh! Ow! They want me. They want me so bad. Oh, shit! Oh my god, I killed someone. I hate messaging people. I think I actually send like sub 10 DMs a year. See, I wish I could do that, but I kind of can't. Wait, what is in here? I've never realized like what's in here. It's like glass? Flowers? Crystals? Fuck is that? I love solo ulting supports is insane. Okay. Yeah, bronze activities. Oh, as soon as you hit her, she gets undone like Mantis Sleep? Okay. Oh, balls. I wish Luna had like both. Oh my fucking god. Rocket and Squirrel Girl should be able to do combat attacks together. That'd be a cool team up and a Marvel team up. Yeah, but they're like from different. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. I was gonna say they're from like different parts of the Marvel franchise. Oh please. Oh, that's awkward. It's me and Vampy against the world.